Unit 3. Production. Lesson 3.2. Processes.
In this lesson you will learn main parts of the production important for the circular economy process, possible sawing during the production, zero impact on the environment. Small furniture business case, wooden material recycling and reusing.
Content of the lesson. 1. Processes in furniture production company. 2. Material storage, collecting, preparation. 3. Production. 4. Recycling and reusing.
The 3 R's principles. The circular economy philosophy in general. In furniture production, reduce. For example, energy, time, waste, processes, reuse. For example, wooden materials, recycle. For example, raw wooden materials, sawdust, industry waste, varnishes and oils.
The environmental impact of furniture products can be reduced by minimizing the use of paint and glue. This material contains organic chemicals, VOC, and formaldehyde emissions. The environmentally key problems in producing and releasing friendly furniture are as follows: the use of solid wood, certified wood, reduction of the amount of glue and paint, substitution with water-based coatings, the reduce of use of plastic and metal and steel, dematerialization and monomateriality.
Main processes in furniture production. 1. Material storage and collecting of different wood. 2. Material preparation. Cuttings, sorting. 3. Production of the furniture. 4. Finalization and coating. 5. Pre-installation of some parts. 6. Packaging. 7. Assembly and installment. 8. Human impact. Mindset. Reusing and recycling processes.
Storage and collecting of different wood and wooden material.
Wood is an alive material. Before the use of that kind of material in production, this needs to be cut, properly dry, and store in the best climate conditions. The wood stock, storage place, must be customized to each production and the characteristics of final products, for example massive wood, humidity, rotten parts. Good storage conditions and separation work done correctly are the first things to do in order to avoid any destruction of material due to improper storage.
Material preparation. Cuttings, sorting of the wood and wooden materials. Focusing to combine similar wooden materials, using the logic to minimize the material waste, and cutting optimizations. Depending of the furniture businesses and the end products, sorting of material need to be properly collected, and wood stocks planing. Savings during the wood drying process, using the right drying process and climate for the production of the raw wooden material, vacuum drying, conventional drying.
Production. Small furniture business. Optimizing the work in middle processes during the production, combing the similar parts in one working process, cutting, sanding, brushing, screwing. Making the weekly and daily working plans for each worker. In small furniture business, dividing the work between workers based on the skills of each other. Wooden wastage sorting immediately and together with each working operation, daily.
Possible savings during the work with the machinery, sorting the operations. Time saving. Optimizing cutting and sawing of material. Basic material sawing. Filing the machines with the different operations when they are in use. Energy saving. For example, the drying and gluing processes leave during the non-working hours to dry. Time saving.
Furniture coating and final protection. Using natural and easy coating processes, water-based coating, brushing and oiling instead, and wax. Using natural materials. Water-based coatings, natural oils, and wax. The main focus is related to proper wood use, optimization of resources and recovery of wood chips, minimization of energy consumption, reasonable use of chemicals, and reduction of packaging. The key problems in realizing environmentally friendly furniture are as follows: the use of solid wood, certified wood, reduction in the amount of glue and paint or substitution with water-based ones, reduction of plastic and metal used, privileges the use of steel, and dematerialization and monomateriality. The environmental impact of furniture products can be reduced by minimizing the use of paint and glue. This material contains organic chemicals, VOC, and formaldehyde emissions. In furniture production using old wood as the primary material, the main finalizing process are brushing, sanding, polishing and coating with the oil, no colors or other inorganic protection.
Packaging. The possible savings in time and material consumption in packaging are: packaging with paper material, combining and packaging similar elements together, packaging with less foil, packages banding.
Recycling and reusing of some production wastage.
Fine dust is a result of the brushing and sanding process. Dust and other residuals can be perfectly stored and reused. In the small production line, the dust can be used for heating the building. It is possible to process dust with thermal treatment and heat, dust high pressing, into pellets for the heating of the building and also for the drying machines, and heat pressing machines for the wooden panels. Most of the sawdust and tinder dust is primarily used for the material for wooden plates and other wooden products.
Reusing the existing wood. Built-in wooden elements. Reusing the old wood, more than 100 years old, already built in the old buildings. Reusing and reproduction of the old furniture, mostly those made of solid wood.